Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is ST Engineering expands counter-drone footprint in Asia with new air defense and critical infrastructure deployments outside Singapore. ST Engineering has secured new counter-drone deployments in Asia outside Singapore as defense and security agencies strengthen protection against unmanned aerial threats. The deployments cover both air defense operations and the protection of multiple critical infrastructure sites. The projects were secured in recent months through ST Engineering's digital systems business. The company said the deployments reflect growing regional demand for integrated counter-unmanned aerial system capabilities. One deployment is focused on air defense, while another covers several critical infrastructure locations. ST Engineering did not identify the customers or countries involved in the announcement. The company's counter-drone system is built around a layered defense architecture. It combines advanced sensors, artificial intelligence-enabled command and control, and both soft-kill and hard-kill effectors. The system is designed to detect, track, identify and neutralize a range of drone threats. Its modular architecture allows it to be configured for military, public security and critical infrastructure missions. Counter-drone capabilities have become an increasingly important part of modern defense and security operations, said Lo Jin Fang, Chief Operating Officer for Defense and Public Security, and President for Digital Systems, ST Engineering. These deployments underscore the growing demand for integrated solutions against evolving drone threats and validate our ability to deliver operationally proven counter-drone capabilities. ST Engineering said its counter-drone capability has undergone extensive testing and operational validation. The system draws on the group's capabilities in sensors, communications, artificial intelligence and mission systems. The latest deployments broaden the use of ST Engineering's counter-drone technology beyond its home market. They also place the company's system across two distinct security requirements: air defense and the protection of critical infrastructure. ST Engineering said the integrated architecture is intended to address a broad spectrum of drone threats. The company is positioning the capability for customers seeking a single system that can combine detection, command and control functions and multiple methods of neutralization. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.